Hi everyone, welcome back. So over the last 4 or 5 videos I've done a number of Assetto Corsa graphic mod reviews and part reviews of some of the new tracks that are on Assetto Corsa. And one of the pieces I wanted to go back to was LA Canyon. So LA Canyons is in my free roam video, the best free roams that are in Assetto Corsa at the moment. So in this review I'm just going to give you a kind of flavour for what's going on in LA Canyons at the moment. As ever guys, if you do like the video, please do subscribe and click on that notification. It really does help me to grow the channel. So guys, let's talk about what LA Canyons is. So let's remember that Assetto Corsa is effectively a circuit racer. When it came out in 2014, you drove around circuits, that's what you did, and it was a great game even back then. But what LA Canyons does is really take the free roam piece to the next level. And as you can see by this gameplay, look how huge this map is. This map, if you buy and download all the different pieces of it, is over 900 square kilometers. And the view distance and the way it's constructed is absolutely phenomenal. The modder that's been constructing this over the last 3 years is a guy called Phoenix. Now I have linked his website down in the description below. And I've also linked the race department piece as well, because you can download this in multiple different areas, and I'll talk through later on a little bit about the different sections you can download, because some are free and some are paid for. This piece that I'm driving on here is actually one of the free pieces. LA Canyons, as the name suggests, is set high above Los Angeles in the San Gabriel mountain range. And most importantly, this is a cruising or drifting track, although there are some pursuit races that you can take part in too. LA Canyons will test out your driving capability, sweeping bends, racing hill climbs, long descents. This track has it all. But what would make it better? Traffic. That's what would make it better. And LA Canyons, in one of the paid for editions, does give you one-way and two-way traffic. And as you can see here, it's a great opportunity to test your driving skills out properly. So not only are you trying to go fast sometimes, or cruise, or race with your friends, you are also trying to overtake these cars in as safe as manner as possible. By the way, overtaking on blind corners like this is not being safe, but it's great fun. LA Canyons is a huge map, as we've already discussed. So the way the traffic actually spawns on the track is through pit boxes. So you can see here that cars will be parked at the side of the roads, and these are actual pit boxes that you would have on the game. And is the traffic dangerous? Get your line wrong. Yes, it is dangerous and will wreck you. Let's talk about how this game looks in LA Canyons. It looks stunning. The view distance here is incredible. I am running a couple of custom mods on here, and if you've seen my other videos you will know what they are. But the custom mods I am running is Custom Shader Patch, Content Manager, Sol, and a natural post-processing filter that was in one of my last videos. So if you do want to check out how to get all these amazing graphics on Assetto Corsa, and you're just kind of dusting your old Assetto Corsa off of Steam, check out the description below, and I'll have a number of links in there that will take you straight to those videos. And one of my videos is 6 mods in 6 minutes. It's really easy to install. Now I talked earlier about the different versions of LA Canyons that you can actually install. So the base level LA Canyons is, and the main version is LA Canyons 1.2 Bronze. And that will give you a massive portion of this map. 6 main layouts, that's normal, reverse, free roam, a free roam distant map, and pursuit, as well as a Mount Lawler tourist mode. Including all of the smaller roads and the turn-ins, that's 47 kilometers of road to explore. And as you can see in some of this gameplay, there are lots of little Easter eggs to find and lots of places just to check out. Next up is the Silver Pack, the VIP Traffic Pack. This is the pack that gives you the traffic on the roads, so that's one-way traffic reverse, and two-way traffic. And this currently costs £3 on Phoenix's website. That is well worth the money. Next up is the Gold Pack, that's currently £6, and this gives you a phenomenal amount of content. Over 115 kilometers with more extra layouts including Angel's Crest, Mount Wilson, and some free roam VIP and free roam urban tracks. And finally the Platinum Pack. This is currently priced at £9 and this gives you all the previous parts of the tracks as well as some extra Platinum VIP pieces. Really well worth the money, and to support Phoenix for doing this incredible mod, well worth it. It's been great putting this video together for LA Canyons. I've only really just touched the surface with these videos of this gameplay. There is so much to see, and what you're seeing on here on this gameplay is a couple of the layouts and a couple of the peripheral bits. Obviously I've showed you the traffic, which is really cool, but there is so much to explore. What Phoenix has created here is a game within a game. LA Canyons has enough content to keep you going for 20, 30, 40 hours of driving around these roads, finding out all the Easter eggs and the cool places to go. Now these graphics on this gameplay look stunning, the view distance there absolutely incredible, and I've not really changed the weather too much on Sol, and obviously you can do that all the time. So imagine driving around these canyons and some of the parking places overlooking LA with the sun setting or the sun rising, or whether it's some extreme weather or some rain, just really cool stuff. And of course we have talked a lot about cruising and drifting, but this can be a great racing circuit too, especially with the traffic on. So a lot of these circuits you can use online on the online servers, great fun with your friends. And as I said at the beginning of the video, some of the point-to-point time races or races on these tracks will really test your driving capability, especially with the AI on. One tip I would recommend on this track is to try and get yourself on a steering wheel or at least a decent controller. When I started playing Assetto Corsa, I played a lot on the keyboard, and I do still play other driving games on keyboard. It can be good fun. But on this kind of track you really need to have some kind of accuracy of when you're driving, especially also on your throttle response. So on here I'm using a G29 and I've just got a new sim rig. So I'll be doing a video on that sim rig and my setup, so keep an eye on the channel for that video dropping. I hope you've all enjoyed watching. I've really enjoyed making this video, and I know I'm going to be exploring LA Canyons more to find those Easter eggs, and I will drop some more videos out about LA Canyons in the future. If you have enjoyed this video, please do check out my channel and check out the other videos on Assetto Corsa, BeamNG and Wreckfest, and do click on that subscribe button. It really does help me to grow the channel. All of the links to LA Canyon and other graphic mods on this video are also in the description below, so do check those out. Enjoy the gameplay guys, and I'll see you soon.